Here's a long, vivid description of a lion, focusing on its strong body and attack. Written to take about 6 minutes to read aloud. The lion, often called the king of beasts, stands as a living symbol of strength and majesty. Its body is a masterpiece of muscle and power, perfectly designed for both survival and dominance. Every inch of its form tells a story of raw physical strength, from the thick mane that frames its head like a fiery crown, to the powerful shoulders and chest that ripple with muscle. The lion is a creature built for both intimidation and battle. Its legs are thick and strong, able to propel it forward with an explosive burst of speed, reaching up to 50 miles per hour in short chases. Its paws are armed with razor-sharp retractable claws, each one capable of slashing through hide and flesh with a single strike. The lion's body is not just strong, it is enduring. Despite being large, it moves with grace, stalking silently across the golden savanna. Its tail sways in balance, its golden eyes lock forward with sharp intensity. This body is not built for long chases like a cheetah's. Instead, it is designed for ambush and overwhelming force. The lion knows that when it attacks, it must make the moment count. Every muscle, every ounce of power, is directed into those critical seconds when it must strike down its prey. When the lion hunts, its strength becomes truly terrifying. It crouches low, muscles coiled like a spring, waiting for the right moment. The herd grazes, unaware of the danger. The lion creeps closer, its golden coat blending with the dry grass, each step measured and silent. Then, suddenly, the stillness shatters. With a roar that shakes the ground, the lion launches forward. Its body becomes a storm of power and fury, claws extended, teeth bared. The attack is explosive. Its front legs crash into its target with the force of a battering ram, knocking the prey off balance. The lion's jaws, armed with long, curved canine teeth, clamp down on the throat or muzzle, cutting off air and silencing all resistance. The prey thrashes, kicks, struggles, but against the lion's strength, it is useless. The muscles in the lion's neck and shoulders tighten like steel cables, refusing to let go. Its weight presses down, pinning its victim to the ground. In those moments, the lion is not just an animal, it is the embodiment of dominance itself. But the lion's attack is not only about brute force. It is calculated, efficient, perfected through countless hunts across generations. It knows when to strike, where to bite, how to use its strength to end the fight quickly. And once victory is claimed, the lion stands tall, chest heaving, mane flowing in the breeze, a living reminder that it is king not just by title, but by sheer physical power.